everyone, welcome to Ryzel YouTube channel. Today is the third class of createvista.com. In this class we will learn about how to create beautiful designs and animations using objects in Create Vista. It's one of the great features of Vista. So let's get started. Today we will not choose the template. Instead of template, we will use the custom size to create the custom canvas for us, an empty canvas. Right here 1080 and 1080 here, it's a simple Instagram size. Click on create design, it will open a new tab. Your empty canvas has been created. Now I've already downloaded images. You can also use stock footages. I've already downloaded it. I'm going to use that image. I'd simply drag and drop in Vista. Here we have our photo. Now simply to crop it, you can use edit image, remove background, crop, borders, opacity, flip and animate. But we have to crop it, so we will click on crop. You can also crop by using these lines by clicking on them and dragging them to right and left or top or down to crop the photo. So second way is to click on crop, and you can also crop from here. I'm going to crop it in a square shape. Here I have a photo. Let me align it in center from align tool, and let me scale it a little bit, make it bigger a little bit. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Yes, I'm going to increase its size. And now I will again align it to center. Now we will place some objects here to create our design more beautiful and attractive. In objects, you have tons of objects. You can choose any one of that, but in my design I will go with the sun. Some sun kind of animated or vector sun. I'm going to like this one, and I will use this one. Resize it and place it in a corner. We will use only objects to create our design, to make design more beautiful. And I'm going to put some leaves in my design. Yes, I like this one. I will use this one. Simply scale it from the corners and place it. You can also change colors from for these objects from here. You go to color and you can change the colors. Well, I will not change the colors. I'm going to use these colors because they're good to go with my design. I'm changing the color of leaf a little bit. I'm making it yellow. Okay, I'm going to decrease its size a little bit, and it's looking good. Let's put some other leaf in that corner, and this one is good. Scale it and place it simply, and change its color to black. Now to add some text, we are going to add the text, and I will write Kids Mania here. And simply you can change its upper or lower case of alphabets. You can simply make it bold or underline and change the font. Go to fonts library and choose a good font. I like Advent Pro. It's a good font for designs. Yes, it's looking good. And place the text. We'll add another text, and I will write here best prices. Scale the text box and choose the font. I will choose Nothing You Could Do. It's a good font for here. I'm doing font pairing. Best prices Kids Mania, and I will underline the best prices so that it may look good. Yes, It's good. Let's scale it a little bit, place it right here. And see, already it's a beautiful design, but we will add the background. In background you have 3 columns: photos, videos and colors. You have 3 sections. You can add photos also by just simply clicking on them, and it will be applied on the background. You can also move the background right and left, up and down. You can also add videos. Simply click on them and the video will be added to your background. And if you want any color background, plain colors, solid colors, you can choose from this, but I'm going to choose any photo from the stock. And let me search any good background that goes with this design, and a little bit more scrolling down. I like this one, it will go good with this. So you have already created a beautiful design, so we can also animate these, and we will animate first the sun object. Click on animate and go to zoom, fade in, wobble. You have many animation effects. I will go with the zoom. Simply click the zoom and preview the animation. I will also animate the leaves. First this leaf, and I will go with the move in. You can also change its direction. For now it's coming from left. You can change it and change it to from right. Click on preview animation, it will come from right. We'll also animate this leaf, and I will go with the wobble. You can see preview animation, it's wobbling, and you can check it by clicking on the play button, and you can see it's good. For the kids it's good. And simply click on download button, and if you don't want the animation, you only want the static image, you can simply click the JPEG and download. It will download the static JPG image. If you want animated video, click on MP4 and click on download. It will take some time and the video will be downloaded. It's already been downloaded. Click on it and play it. See how it looks like. It looks like this. It's good. It can be better, but for now it looks good. Let's see how you can create beautiful designs by using simple objects. Explore the objects. There are tons of objects. You can simply choose by using these objects. You can simply create beautiful designs, very beautiful. You also have shadows. You can simply add shadows. They are also look good with designs. You can replace the leaf with this shadow, and see, this also looks very good. It's a leaf shadow. So explore the designs, explore the shadows, explore other objects, see how you can create and use them in your designs and animations. So this is all for today. Take care. Goodbye.